Hello everyone, this is P. Nageshwarachari. Welcome to my YouTube channel PNC Exclusive Maths. The topic I am going to discuss today is very useful for 10th, Inter and for many competitive exams like Polytechnic, TSRJC, APRJC, MSET and so on. Friends, I hope this video will give you a full clarity regarding question patterns of the topic pair of linear equations in two variables. You can easily solve the problems once you watch this video completely. I will give you some tricks along the best examples to crack the problems. Before I start the class, some of our friends asked me to explain in Telugu for better understanding. So I would like to explain both in English and Telugu. So friends, if you watch this video completely, you can solve any type of problem from this chapter. And I have confidence that you can solve these problems easily. Now, let's review of this chapter. The standard or general form. Standard form of a linear equations in one variable ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, where a, b and c are any real numbers. And similarly, pair of linear equations. The standard form of pair of linear equations in two variables a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0, where a1 a2, b1 b2 and c1 c2 belongs to real numbers. And next, these two equations, these two pair of linear equations in two variables are also called as a system of linear equations or simultaneous equations. Now next point, solve the pair of linear equations in three ways. That is, first one model method, then graphical method and algebraic method. Here model method, again categories three types. We have already learned in previous classes, that is hit on trial method, balancing method, transposing method. And algebraic method also we have three types. So first one is substitution method, second one is elimination method, third one is cross multiplication method. This cross multiplication is very important for solving these pair of linear equations in competitive exams in easy way. Next, let's discuss about graphical method. మనకి ఇక్కడ graphical methods లో pair of linear equations యొక్క straight lines ఏ టైప్ లో వస్తాయి, ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. సో the pair of linear equations straight lines are parallel line, intersecting lines are either coincident lines, either parallel lines. ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. సో the system of linear equations are whether it is consistent. Then the condition is a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. The system of equations, the condition of these two equations a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Then the number of solution is unique solution. We have a unique solution. These we have the solution of these two equation is unique solution. Unique solution. Okay, oka solution ganaka manaku vachinatlaite aa equations graphical representation intersecting lines avutayi. So the graphical representation of these two equations intersecting lines are independent lines. Next, the system of equations whether it is again consistent. So consistent lo manaku two types. First one is intersecting line, second one is if a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is also equal to c1 by c2, then the number of solutions has infinite solutions. That means many solutions. So if these two equations are having many solutions, the graphical representation of these two equations coincident lines or dependent lines. So in this graph solution, each point is called a solution of these two equations. Next, the system of equations are inconsistent. if the system of equations are inconsistent. The condition ఎలా ఉంటుందో చూడండి. So a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2 కనుక అయితే మనకు నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ సొల్యూషన్స్ ఎన్ని వస్తాయి? దే హ్యావ్ నో సొల్యూషన్. మనకి ఇక్కడ ఎలాంటి సొల్యూషన్ కూడా రాదు. ఎందుకు అంటే if a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2, the solution of these two equations we have no solution, then the lines are parallel lines. So parallel lines అన్నప్పుడు మనకి ఈ ఈక్వేషన్స్ ఈ స్ట్రేట్ లైన్స్ అనేవి ఎక్కడా కూడా ఇంటర్సెక్ట్ అవ్వవు. కాబట్టి మనకి ఇక్కడ నో సొల్యూషన్స్. నెక్స్ట్ పాయింట్, the equation ax plus by plus c is equals to 0 has an infinite number of solutions, and to draw the graph of a straight line a minimum of 2 points are required. To draw the graph of a straight line a minimum of 2 points required. In the equation ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, if a is equals to 0, b is not equal to 0 and c is not equal to 0. The value of a is equals to 0, substitute this equation, then the equation reduces to by plus c is equals to 0. The graph of by plus c is equals to 0 is a straight line that is parallel to x-axis. That is parallel to x-axis. Similarly, if a is not equal to 0, b is equals to 0 and c is not equal to 0, then the equation reduces to ax plus c is equals to 0. The graph of ax plus c is equals to 0 is also a straight line and it is also parallel to y-axis. Then next, some of application problems based on numbers, distance and speeds, water problems. If number problems, if x and y are units and tens digits are respectively, the expanded form is 10y plus x. If the digits are reversed, the expanded form is 10x plus y. We know that distance is equals to speed into time. So speed is considered to speed is equals to distance by time. So here some water problems. The direction along the stream. Along the stream means flow of the water. For example, flow of the water downside. The ship is going to downside. So that is the equation becomes x plus y. If the flow of the water stream is against the water, the direction against the stream, so that the ship is going to direction of flow of the water. So flow of the water becomes this side. So the ship is going to upside. So that means equation becomes x minus y. So here one more important formula. Here 1 kilometer per hour is equals to 5 by 18 meter per second. 1 kilometer per hour is equals to 5 by 18 meter per second. And similarly in the same way 1 meter per second reverse 1 meter per second is equals to 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. So friends, let's go through the examples. So let us start the first question. Which of the following equations is not a linear equation? So ఇలాంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ కనుక కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ లో వచ్చినప్పుడు ముందుగా మనం క్వశ్చన్ ని బాగా అర్థం చేసుకోవాలి. సో విచ్ ఆఫ్ ది ఫాలోయింగ్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఏ లీనియర్ ఈక్వేషన్? సో ఫ్రెండ్స్, we have already discussed in previous classes. So what about linear equation? What is the meaning about linear equations? Linear equations ante emiti? So linear means the degree of the variable is always 1. So here we have options lo ganaka manam chusukunnatlaithe first option, so variable of x, variable y, both are the degree of variable x and variable y is 1. In second option also 1 1 1 1. So and third option, here it is 1, here 2, and fourth option 1 1. So the degree of an equation is not equal to 1. ekkada undi manaki? Option C lo undi. So option C is the answer for this question. Then go to second problem. Which of the following is a linear equation in one variable? Linear equations in one variable. So మనం ఇక్కడ ఆప్షన్స్ లో గనుక చూసుకున్నట్లయితే ఆప్షన్ సి అండ్ ఆప్షన్ డి, దీస్ టూ ఆర్ నాట్ లీనియర్ ఈక్వేషన్. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ దీస్ టూ ఆర్ నాట్ లీనియర్ ఈక్వేషన్స్. వై? బికాస్ here degree is 2, here also degree is 2. Then go through remaining two options, first option and second option. In first option, variable x and variable y, we have two variables here, so the option is B. The correct answer is B. Then third question, the pair of linear equations 3x plus 4y plus 5 is equals to 0 and 12x plus 16y plus 15 is equals to 0 have dash solutions. ఈ pair of equations కి ఎన్ని solutions ఉంటున్నాయి అని అడుగుతున్నాడు. So let's check out the problem. a1 by a2, 3 by 12, 3 by 12, 3 1s are 3 4s are, so that is 1 by 4. Then next 4 by 16, 4 by 16, 4 1s are 4 4s are. Next 5 by 15, 5 1s are 5 3s are. So a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. So condition enti manaki ikkada a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. Pair of linear equations ilanti condition vachinappudu manaki we have no solution. Option D. The next fourth question, the pair of equations 3x plus 2y is equals to 5, 2x minus 3y is equals to 7 are dash. So option A consistent, option B inconsistent, option C infinite solutions, option D unique solution. Let's check out the condition. a1 by a2, that means 3 by 2, a1 by a2 3 by 2. Next b1 by b2 minus 2 by 3, minus 2 by 3, c1 by c2 5 by 7. So a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. ఇలాంటి కండిషన్ వచ్చినప్పుడు మనకి ఏంటి? యూనిక్ సొల్యూషన్. చాలా మంది ఇక్కడే తప్పు చేస్తారు. మనకు కావాల్సిన క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటి? ద పేర్ ఆఫ్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ 3x plus 2y is equals to 5, 2x minus 3y is equals to 7 ఆర్ డాష్. ఇక్కడ మన క్వశ్చన్ ఈక్వేషన్స్, ఎలాంటి ఈక్వేషన్స్ అని అడిగాడు. సో సొల్యూషన్స్ గురించి అడగలేదు. సో కాబట్టి యూనిక్ సొల్యూషన్ కాదు. సో కాబట్టి ఆప్షన్ consistent lines. The pair of equations are consistent. So option E. Next problem, fifth problem. Solution of the equations root 2x plus root 3y is equals to 0 and root 3x minus root 8y is equals to 0 is. So ఇక్కడ ఈక్వేషన్స్ కి సొల్యూషన్ ఏంటి అని అడుగుతున్నాడు. సో this type of questions, ఇలాంటి questions వచ్చినప్పుడు we observe the values constant. C value is equals to 0 in both equations. సో ఇక్కడ మనం C value అనేది టూ ఈక్వేషన్స్ లో జీరోగా ఉంది. సో సింపుల్. If it is C is equals to 0, C1 is equals to 0 and C2 is equals to 0, there is no solution. That's simple. X is equals to 0, Y is equals to 0. So option D is the right answer. Then next, sixth question. In the table, find P if A minus B is equals to 8. So ఇక్కడ కూడా మనకు చిన్న లాజిక్. So A minus B is equals to 8. Okay. So A minus B is equals to 8. Then find the value of P. So ఇక్కడ A value 8 ఇచ్చాడు అనుకోండి, ఇక్కడ 8 ఇక్కడ 8 ఉంటే సింపుల్. The answer, the value of P value is 0. Option D is the right answer. So చిన్న లాజిక్స్, ఇలాంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ వచ్చినప్పుడు చిన్న లాజిక్స్ యూజ్ చేయాలి. So next, seventh question. For what values of k 3x plus y is equals to 1 and 2k minus 1x k minus 1y is equals to 2k plus 1 has no solution. No solution means ఇందాక మనం చెప్పుకున్నాం కండిషన్ a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. సో ఇక్కడ కండిషన్ ఏంటిది? a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. Let's say a1 అంటే ఏముంది ఇక్కడ? 3 by a2 2k minus 1 then is equals to b1 here 1 by b2 k minus 1. So then cross multiplication 3 into k 3k minus 3 is equals to 2k minus 1. 2k minus 1. Then 2k transpose to this side minus 3 transpose to that side. 3k minus 2k is equals to minus 1 plus 3. So 3k minus 2k, k, 3 minus 1, 2. K is equals to 2. Now option A is right answer. Next, coming to 8th question. The sum of the two numbers is 18. Here we don't have numbers. Sum of two numbers means, let us take A and B are x, y. So sum of two numbers means x plus y is equals to 18, equation 1. Then the sum of their reciprocals. Reciprocals means 1 by x plus 1 by y is equals to 1 by 4. Here LCM xy, then x plus y is equals to 1 by 4. From equation 1, what is the value of x plus y? So 18. So 18 by xy is equals to 1 by 4. Then cross multiplication. Therefore xy is equals to 18 for the 72. So ఇక్కడ మనకు x plus y వాల్యూ ఉంది, x minus y కావాలి. So x minus y కావాలి అని అంటే we go through the algebraic identities. We know that x minus y whole square is equals to x plus y whole square minus 4xy. So x plus y whole square is equals to 18 square minus 4 into xy is equals to 72. So 18 are how much? 18 are 324 minus 4 into 72 288. So 324 minus 288. Therefore x minus y whole square is equals to 36. 36 whole square is equals to 6 square. Therefore x minus y is equals to under root of 36, that is equals to plus or minus 6. If we take plus 6 ఒక రకంగా వాల్యూస్ వస్తాయి, మైనస్ 6 తీసుకుంటే ఇంకో రకంగా వాల్యూస్ వస్తాయి. సో కేస్ 1, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ x minus y is equals to plus 6 and x plus y is equals to 18. y gets cancelled. 2x is equals to 24, x is equals to 12. If we substitute x value in equation 1, 12 plus y is equals to 18. 18 minus 12, so y is equals to 6. If we take x minus y is equals to minus 6, x plus y is equals to 18. So plus y minus y gets cancelled. 2x is equals to 18 minus 6, 12, 2 1 the 2 6 the x is equals to 6. If we substitute x value in the equation 1 or equation 2 anything, so x is equals to 6. So that means 18 minus 6 is equals to y is equals to 12. So ikkada answer emochindi manaku 12 comma 6 here 6 comma 12. సో ఇప్పుడు ఈ టూ ఆప్షన్స్ వచ్చాయి మనకి. ఈ టూ ఆప్షన్స్ లో మనకి ఏ ఆప్షన్ సూటబుల్ అవుతుంది? సో 12 comma 6 is the right answer. So next question, two numbers are in the ratio 3:5. So that means x by y is equals to 3/5. So cross multiplication, that implies 5x is equals to 3y. So that means 5x minus 3y is equals to 0. Then next, similarly, if 5 is subtracted from each number, so ప్రతి ఒక్క నెంబర్ నుండి 5 అనేది సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ అవుతుంది. సో x minus 5 by y minus 5 is equals to, the ratio becomes equal to 1:2. That means 1/2. Cross multiplication, 2x minus 10 is equals to y minus 5. So 2x minus y is equals to minus 10. Transpose to the side, plus 10 minus 5. Equation 2. This is equation 1. So now solving these two equations, we multiply equation 2 by 3. So 3 into 2x minus y is equals to 5. 6x minus 3y is equals to 15. Equation 3. So now subtract equation 1 from equation 3. So 6x minus 3y is equals to 15. 5x minus 3y is equals to 0. That means minus plus. Here plus 3y minus 3y gets cancelled. X minus 5. 6x minus 5x. X is equals to 15. We substitute x value in this equation 1, 2 or anything. So 15 5s are 25 minus 3y is equals to 0. Sorry, 15 5s are 75. So 3y is equals to 75. 3 1s are 325s are. So y is equals to 25. X is equals to 15. Y is equals to 25. So option is A is right answer. So now coming to next question. Solution of equation 2 to the power of x plus 3 to the power of y is equals to 17. 2 to the power of x plus 2 minus 3 to the power of y plus 1 is equals to 5. So this is equation 1. Now here ఇక్కడ ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ మనం ఎక్స్పోనెంట్స్ ఫామ్ లో ఉంది. సో 2 to the power of x into 2 to the power of 2 means 4. So 4 into 2 to the power of 2x. So minus here 3 to the power of y, 3 to the power of 1. So that means 3 into 3 to the power of y is equals to 15. So equation 2. Now here observe equation 1 and 2. So multiply equation 3 into equation 1. So that means 3 into 2 to the power of x plus 3 into 3 to the power of y. Direct right. Direct ikkada rasedam. So 3 into 2 to the power of x. So 3 into 2 to the power of x plus 3 into 3 to the power of y is equals to 17 3s are 51. So minus 3 into 3 to the power of y plus 3 into 3 to the power of y gets cancelled. Here 4 plus 3, 7 into 2 to the power of x is equals to 51 plus 5, 56. So here cancel simplification, 7 1s are 7 8s are. So 2 to the power of x is equals to 8 means in terms of 2, 2 to the power of 3. So 2 gets cancelled, x is equals to 3. Now we substitute x value in equation 1. So 8 plus 3 to the power of y is equals to 17. 3 to the power of y is equals to 17 minus 8. 3 to the power of 5 is equals to 17 minus 8, 9. So that means it's equal to 9 means in terms of 3, 3 square, 3 gets cancelled, y is equals to 2. So answer is x is equals to 3, y is equals to 2. So option A is right answer. The next 11th question, the value of k for which the system of equations x plus 2y minus 3 is equals to 0, 5x plus ky plus 7 is equals to 0 has no solutions. So no solutions means condition a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. Let's check a1 by a2. 1 by 5. 1 by 5 is equals to 2 by k. 2 by k. So then cross multiplication, k is equals to 5 to the 10. So the now option is option A. Next question. The lines represented by 5x plus 3y minus 7 is equals to 0. 6y plus 10x minus 14 is equals to 0. So here ఇక్కడ మన ఈక్వేషన్ చూడగానే కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవ్వదు. సో దీన్ని మళ్ళీ కరెక్ట్ ఫామ్ లో రాసుకోండి. 10x plus 6y minus 14 is equals to 0. They are coincident lines or intersecting lines or parallel lines or none of these. Okay, let's check. A1 by A2, 5 by 10 is equals to B1 by B2, 3 by 6 is equals to 7 by 14. That means 5 ones are 5 twos are 3 ones are 3 twos are 7 ones are 7 twos are. So A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2 is equals to C1 by C2. So if A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2 is equals to C1 by C2 గనక మనకు ఆన్సర్ వచ్చినట్లయితే, so the graphical condition is coincident lines. Coincident lines. Option A. Now let us see cross multiplication method. So మనం క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ మెథడ్ ఈ ఫార్ములా టైప్ చేయొచ్చు, లేదు అని అంటే షార్ట్ కట్ మెథడ్, సింపుల్ మెథడ్. Let us see. For example, first write the values of b1 b2. First here 1 minus 3. Then next 1 minus 3. Then next c1 c2 minus 7 minus 9. Then next a1 a2 1 2. Then last kuda b1 b2 values, right? So here x, here y, here 1. So x by cross multiplication 1 into minus 9 minus 3 sevens are minus into minus plus 3 sevens are 21 is equals to, then next 1 by ఈ values తీసుకోండి. 1 into minus 3 minus 2 into 1 minus 2. So x by minus 30 is equals to x by 1 by minus 5. Minus minus gets cancelled. 5 ones are 5 6 are. X is equals to 6. So similarly y is equals to y by, so here multiplication 7 twos are minus 14, 9 ones are minus 9, minus into minus plus 9 is equals to 1 by same minus 3 minus 2. Y by minus 14 plus 5 minus 5 is equals to 1 by minus 5. Minus 5 gets cancelled. Y is equals to 1. Simple. డైరెక్ట్ ప్రిన్సిపల్ లో సబ్మిట్ చేసినా మనకి ఇదే ఆన్సర్స్ వస్తాయి. సో ఇలా సబ్మిట్ చేస్తే మనకు కొంచెం లెంతీ టైం. సో సేమ్ సెకండ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, ఫస్ట్ రైట్ 1 minus 2, then 8, 12, then 2, 3, then again write 1 minus 2. Here y, here 1. So x by cross multiplication 12 1 the 12, 2 8 the 16, minus 16 minus into minus plus 16 is equals to 1 by 2 2 the minus 4, 3 1 the minus 3. So x by 28 is equals to 1 by minus 7, 7 1 the 7 4 the, therefore x is equals to minus 4. Similarly, y by 8 3 is 24 minus 12 2 is 24 is equals to same 1 by minus 4 minus 3. Y by 0 is equals to 1 by minus 7. Therefore, 7y is equals to 0, y is equals to 0. X is equals to minus 4, y is equals to 0. Similarly, in the same way, third example, x, write down, minus 3, minus 1. C values 0, minus 5. Then next A value 5, 2. Then again minus 3, minus 1. Here y, here 1. So let us check out. X by 5 3 is a 15, minus into minus plus. Minus 1 into 0, minus 0 is equals to 1 by 5 1 is a 5, minus 5. Then minus into minus plus 3 2 is a 6 plus 6. So x by 15, here 1 by 1, therefore cross multiplication x is equals to 15. Then similarly, y is equals to y by 0 into 2, 0, minus 5 into 5, minus 25, here minus, plus 25 is equals to same, minus 5 plus 6, y by 25 is equals to 1 by 1, cross multiplication, therefore y is equals to 25. So, write down x, y values 3, 5, then next C values 8, 14, then next A values 2, 4, then again B values. So y 1. So x by 14 3s are 42 minus 5 8s are 40 is equals to 1 by 2 5s are 10, 4 3s are 12. So x by 42 minus 40, 2. 1 by 10 minus 12, minus 2. Here 2 gets cancelled. X is equals to minus 1. So similarly, in the same way, y by, so 8 4s are 32 minus 14 2s are 28 is equals to 1 by same 10 minus 12. So y by 32 minus 28, 4. So 1 by minus 2. 2 1s are 2 2s are. So therefore y is equals to minus 2. Friends, thank you for your valuable time. I hope you got awareness on this topic, pair of linear equations in two variables. And you may eagerly waiting for my coming video on very interesting and important topic for 10th class children as well as competitive exams, that is mensuration. So friends, before I am closing this session, please wear mask and use sanitizer, save your lives. So friends, please like my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel.